Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Still the Stuff.
Today you are going to learn trending programming languages.
First one is Go programming language. This language is widely used in backend development as well as embedded systems development. Now the second most trending programming language is JavaScript. It is widely used in backend development, Android app development, iOS app development. Now you are going to see the third trending programming language. What that is? Python. Python is the third trending programming language this year. So why Python is trending like that? Lots of projects in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, these projects are widely coded in Python. The fourth position goes to TypeScript. This TypeScript language is used in backend development, Android development, and iOS development. That's the reason this is trending in the fourth position. What is the fifth most trending programming language? I think you know. You all started with that language, right? Not all, most of us, but I started with that language. Yeah, that is C. It is mostly used in embedded programming, system programming, and it is also called as system programming, and it is used for iOS development and game development. Yeah, these are the advantages of C, so that's why it is trending in the fifth position. The sixth most trending programming language is C++. Where this is used? It is used in Android development, iOS development, game programming, and sometimes it is used as backend. What is in number 7? That's what you're asking. So what is in number 7? It's Java. It is used in backend development, Android development, and that's why it is in the 7th position. The names I'm going to say from now onwards are very rare programming languages, but you need to learn these also in order to sustain in your career. So the next programming language I'm going to tell is Kotlin. S. Many of the Android developers may hear this, but I don't know how many people they know this language. So it is Kotlin. It is widely used in Android development and iOS. The next position goes to Dot. It is widely used in Android development and iOS development. Hash. It is widely used in backend and game development. So learn C hash. Remember one thing, these help you in your career at one time or the other time. So one of those language is Rust. It is used in system programming, and the other programming language, so PHP, Perl, and Ruby. These are the languages which have good future in backend development. So kindly concentrate on these languages. Haskell and Elixir, these are also the famous programming language which you need to learn in order to sustain in IT industry for so long. One day or other day you may need to learn these languages, and your work is still pending. You need to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share the content to your friends.